Namaskaram children, a lovely morning to you. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. Children, in the 9th standard you learnt about a blind boy's story. That person was become a great pole vaulter. Always he remembers that his mother words and he inspired with that words and he proved himself a great personality even though he was blind. Here, how did the person become great? That person's personality developed. How? If the boy feels that I am blind, and if the boy feels that I am blind and sticks to that place, he would not become a great person. So here, in the same manner, when we face something, that moment we must not stick to that place. We must go forward to become a great person. That's called development. Our personality development. So what is the personality development? Personality development is the development of organized pattern of behaviors and attitudes. Organized pattern of behaviors and attitudes, both. That makes that a person unique. That development makes a person unique. How did we achieve? How do we achieve this one? We achieve this one with the ongoing interaction. Ongoing interaction. Ongoing interaction, and we are observed by these three. First one is temperament. Next, second, character. Third one, environment. These three plays key roles to develop a person's personality development. It is a organized pattern of behaviors and attitude. That is observing three: temperament, character, and environment. Now here I am going to show you some persons' pictures. Look at the picture. This person is Mr. Ravindra Jain, who was a great music director. He composed that number of songs, and he composed that epic, mythological epic, the Ramayana, as a serial. He composed the music to that serial, which was telecast National Doordarshan channel last year during lockdown period. And Shri Krishna serial also he composed. One song also there of him. I am not a good singer, but I will try a little bit. Hey Krishna Govinda Hare Murare, Hey Radha Manohara, Hey Madhu Govinda. Okay, right. Now, next, one more person. Look about her. Here she is in classical dance costumes. She is Miss Srimati Sudha Chandran. She met with an accident in 1981. She is a lover of classical dance. She wanted to become a great classical dancer in her life. But when she met with an accident, that moment she lost her right leg. Her leg was amputated up to her knee. Even though she lost her leg, she did not give up her hope. She tried and she consulted that number of persons. She wanted to become a great classical dancer. So here the doctors advised her must arrange one artificial food, that was Jaipur food. With that food she practiced day and night, even though her leg was pained very much. At last she became a classical dancer. She practiced well and she gave that number of performances all over the world. Now she is acting in